Hi everyone, happy Sunday and welcome to Layo's Academy. I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. So in today's video, thank you all for joining me. For those that have watched my previous video, welcome back. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me so that you can see more videos like this. So today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic, a topic that most of us like. I will be talking about something also that a lot of people are curious about, but they don't always get clear answers on. A lot of people don't like talking about this aspect. How much IT auditors actually earn, right? Because I know you have some friends that are IT auditors, but they would never come and tell you how much they really earn. So I'm going to be talking about how much IT auditors really earn and why companies keep hiring for these roles year in, year out, right? This is just a beginner friendly conversation, no hype, no promises, no pressure. It's just going to be clarity that I would be giving you. First of all, let me talk about why people feel stuck financially. A lot of people are working hard, but their incomes are flat, like they are financially stuck. It is not because they are lazy, it is not because they are not intelligent, but because the current jobs they are doing or their current roles have low income ceilings. They work hard, but it's just that field, it's just the kind of work they are doing. Raises are slow, growth feels, capped. And after a while, effort stops, translating into progress. Most times, the real issue is not effort, it's just because they are not positioned right. Either you're not in the right career path, or like that particular, there are some career path that they're just low income, like they are low paid, and there's really nothing you can do. So your problem is not that you're not intelligent or lazy. It is not you're not putting in effort. It is just your positioning. Probably your position in that kind of career that is a low end income career, right? So what are companies actually paying for? Why are they paying IT auditors? IT auditors earn a reasonable, range of money. I'm going to call the figures towards the end of this video. So companies don't just pay for, technical skills. They are paying for the assurance they are getting. They are paying for risk reduction. They are paying for compliance. They are paying for the documentations they are doing for them. They are paying for people who have the technical know-how because they don't want to be fined regulatory fees, right? They are paying for people that understand controls and can explain what is happening inside the systems they are using. That is the value that IT auditors brings to the table. They pay for people who understand their system, their risk. You're going to see along the slide, I'm going to talk about why they have to, because they don't want to be fined with every regulatory fine. So they are paying IT auditors. These are people that bring these values to the table. Why IT audit pays consistently? IT audit, like I said, is tied to regulation, not trends, right? Most companies, if they violate a regulatory, you hear billions. Like a company is fined billions because they did not meet a regulatory compliance. Instead of them paying that billions, they would rather pay IT auditors maybe 10% or 1% of that billions, right? So that is why IT audit pays consistently. It is tied to regulation. No company wants to be fined. It is budgeted every year. Every organization knows they have to test their controls. They have to perform their quarterly and yearly audits because this is what is going to support their financial reporting. So it's going to be protecting the company from real loss. Trust me, the money they are paying IT auditor, as much as that money is, it is not comparable to the loss that a company will make if there's anything wrong with their financial reporting or their annual audits. Okay, so now let me talk about um entry level roles also. Before I do that, on why IT audit pays consistently again is because all these controls, SOX, internal controls, compliance requirements, irrespective of anything, they will always be there. So that's why companies will budget for them every year, because These things are supporting their financial reporting. Okay, so entry level IT audit income. At the entry level, IT audit roles typically offer professional and stable salaries. Depending on your location, though, depending on the type of company, many entry level roles would fall roughly. This is just an estimate. Trust me, it is way higher than that. But I would say between 65 to 85,000 range. This is not fast money, it's not hype. This is reliable income with structure and growth potential. So if you're coming in, maybe you just finished school and you just want to start interns and all that, you could earn as high as 65 to 85,000 per annum. And then as your experience grows, the income would increase. So they offer professional salaries, not peanuts, it's not minimum wage. As an entry level IT auditor, in fact, there's no way you get anything less than maybe that 80s or thereabout. And then there's career growth. You grow. Most IT audit roles, there's that career path where you can grow to the next level, to a senior or thereabout. There's a stable long-term income in it, and there's reliable growth. Like I said, income growth over time. Before you know, you become a senior IT auditor. When I joined Big Four as an experienced hire, and within the space of a year and a half, I got promoted to a senior. Within the space of 3 years, my salary increased with over 30,000 in dollars. $30,000. Yes. So there's that career growth. This professional income are not the one that they will say they increase your salary and they're giving you 1% increase, or they added 50 cents to your money. No, these are real money, like annually. If you know anyone working in Big Four, go ask. Yearly, you are seeing. When I saw join and I saw my first salary increase by me over $10,000 annual increase. I was like, really, is that how it works? Okay, so your income is going to grow. It is a stable career. Your income is going to grow as you grow in your career stages. So for me, I became a senior within a space of a year and a half. When I joined Big Four, I came in as an experienced hire, and then I became a senior within a year and a half. That was pretty fast for me. It's normally like 2 years, 3 years, before you become a senior. But yeah, I think I know books more. So I became a senior within a year and a half. And within the space of 3 years, I had annual salary increase of over $30,000. Yes. So the income growth is there over time. You grow from entry level to senior. You become a manager, especially for those that start in Big Four. Your career progression is usually very smooth and fast once you're achieving your milestone. So you become a compliance, their compliance and governance role. Your income will grow with your clarity and experience. As you gain experience, your income will grow. And then some people flip jobs after spending like 2 years. And even I wanted to switch to another company. Like, I go now, maybe I'm a senior, I'm applying for a new role, I go apply for a manager, and then I get higher income. Okay, so when you move, that's when you are hearing income of, like, you're hearing people collecting 110, 120, 130, 150,000. Right, we continued growth. Senior role from year 4 or year 3 onward, you can reach 120,000 and above confirmed, depending on the role, your location, and the market. What are the roles that company keeps hiring? Companies are consistently hiring for roles like IT auditor, technology control analyst, IT risk analyst, SOX compliance focused roles. These positions exist across industries, be it finance, be it healthcare, be it technology, be it manufacturing. Wherever systems, they are using systems, these roles exist. These roles are out there, they exist. Okay, what this career path works for. This career path, I tell the career path works for career switchers. Maybe you're in another, I've seen nurses convert to become IT auditors, or you are in any other career, you're a project manager, or you're an insurance person, whatever. You just want to switch career, you don't like your current career, or you're an immigrant, you were doing well from your home country, you got here, you've not found your feet, Yes, you can switch to become an IT auditor. Or you just finished school, you went to school, you have a degree, but you feel, I really don't like the course I read in school, I'm looking to switch, or I'm just starting, or you have an accounting degree. Okay, if you are from a non-technical background, remember I said in my previous videos, IT audit is non-technical, anybody can do it, because you do not need to code, you do not need to come from a tech degree. What matters most is the ability to understand processes, controls, and how the system flows. Okay, so if you're someone that you prefer structure over chaos, you don't have any technical, you are a you just want to start, or you are just confused about your career, you don't even know, you have a degree, but you are confused, you just don't know where to start or where to begin. Yes, this is for you. Okay, what are the main fundamentals that matter? You okay, I want to go into the IT audit career. I have other videos, that I've spoken more about, what skills and things you need to become an IT auditor. Please go back and watch my previous videos. And also have an IT audit fundamentals manual, an IT audit roadmap that you can buy, and you see detailed explanation of all these things I'm talking about. I have a section dedicated to career progression and how you can move. So what are the fundamentals that matter? You want to do IT audit. You want to know, different types of audits. I am focusing more on the SOX audit. You want to know your SOX audit, if that's what you're focusing on, or if it's SOC, SOC, or whatever kind of, audit you want to focus on. For me, I'm talking more of SOX audit, IT general controls, IT application controls, walkthroughs. Okay, strong foundations will make you to become a confident IT auditor. The main reason people struggle is because they skip the fundamentals. They want to become a DRC compliance analyst. You don't know you don't know risk, you don't know control, you don't know how to test controls. You would struggle. So you don't skip the fundamentals. These are the fundamentals you need to. You don't know how to conduct your walkthroughs. These concepts I'm talking about show in every IT audit role. When you understand the fundamentals properly, everything else is going to become easier and less intimidating for you. So learn the foundations, please. Okay, and that is why I created Lions Academy. It is strictly helping people start from the basis. I am teaching you the fundamentals. The way I teach IT audit is very intentional. I can start blowing the big grammars, I can start from the top, but no, I want to help people that are starting from the scratch, give them step by step guidance. I break things down step by step. I use simple, clear language. I use real examples. My goal is not to overwhelm you or bamboozle you or tell you that you are going to get six-figure job without doing the work. But I try to help you understand that clarity always comes before confidence. Clarity will come before you start earning that six figures. Yes, the money is there. People are earning it. I am earning it. Okay, but you need to get clarity. That is why I'm teaching IT audit with this intentionality, step by step, step by step. Okay, so, and that is why I'm going to be having a 5-day IT audit training. I have my IT audit fundamentals in my store. I have my IT audit roadmap and other resources. However, because I'm nice and I want people to learn, I am going to be having a 5-day training at a reasonably discounted price. I'm going to be doing 90% discount. The actual price of this product is in my store. Visit my next youth store to see the actual price of this product. I'm going to be doing 90% discount, okay, to help people that are stuck or still need clarity, a little bit of hand holding. People that know, okay, I've read your IT audit fundamentals, or I still need you to talk me through. Okay, so the training is going to be designed to give guidance, to give order and clear understanding of the IT audit fundamentals, so that at the end of that 5-day training you will be able to start applying confidently for IT audit roles while you keep learning with my IT audit fundamentals. Okay, people are not stuck because they are not smart, they are stuck because they lack structure. So this training will provide that guidance and order. If you are out there and you're curious about IT audit and you want to understand it properly, please join my 5-day IT audit training. This is a one in a lifetime opportunity. Nobody is going to charge you the amount I'm charging you. I am passing knowledge. I am here to help people transition smoothly with the needed guidance and support that they need. Okay, so thank you everyone. Remember, you are not behind. You just need the order and guidance and the right guidance. And that is what I am doing. That is what I would also be providing in my 5-day IT audit training coming up in February. Click the link in my bio to get to my digital store. You are going to see the 5-day IT audit training in my store. I am going to show you a video of how to get to my store. Okay, I am going to show you a video of how to get to my store. So if you go to my website, you can either go to my store through my website. You click you can click my website, click on register or sign up. You're going to see first you have to complete the registration form. Once you complete the registration form and submit, you are going to go to click pay here. Okay, you're going to click pay here. You can pay here. When you click on pay here, it's going to take you to my next store. When you get to my next store, this is what you're going to see. So you'll be able to pay from here. The original price of this training is supposed to be 2,000, but this is the one-time thing I am doing to help people transition easily. Thank you everyone. You're not behind. You just need the right order. I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a blessed week ahead.